Today's install will be a completely start to finish install of a 360 glueless wig. This is a curly wig from Ashmary Hair. It has a full frontal in the front, 13 by 4 inch parting space, and then you have the 360 all the way around. So you're able to pull this wig up the way that it's made. It has a little bit of lace in the back, but you don't actually have to lay it. You will see in the install how I pull it up and what it looks like. I'm literally just putting it on. It is a completely glueless install. I use the wig tape on the sides and then a little bit of spray on the sides to just make it more secure and melt the lace a little bit more. But as for the middle of the wig, it is completely nothing there. And you will see me test that out and show you guys. If you prefer more natural looking installs, then this one will be for you. I'm doing very natural hairline, very natural edges, all of the things. So if you want to see the way that this comes out, make sure to keep on watching all the way to the end. And all the details on the wig will be down below in the description box.
Got a lot of style, got a lot of Tiffany on me. I gotta fan myself off. I gotta fan myself off. I gotta cool it down. You got me. Whole lot of reservations. Whole lot of texting with no conversations. Whole lot of playing victim and a villain at the same time. Whole lot of money, got a lot of patience. Whole lot of niggas been waiting, they want some time on it. Don't wanna float it, penny in a bra, we can get involved, boy. You keep playing with my heart, boy. I'm just as petty as you are. Only a real man can tame me. Only the radio can play me. With my baby. Got a lot of bands, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool down. I gotta cool it down. Never met a girl with a mind like this. No. To be in a space and a time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this. No. Little ways to wine like this. Put me up in jail. 10 on hardwood floors. 10 across the floor. Face. Yeah, your face card never declines. My God, eat it. Yummy, make the bummy heat it. Make the pretty girls talk that shitty. Whiskey till I'm 50, little on my kitty. Cool it down, my gritty. Bad bitch, you make a bad bitch glitchy. Fine. Liberated, living like we ain't got time. Yada, bong, ta. Blast on that ass. Fan me quick, girl, I need my glass. Fan me off, my wrist goes thick. Pimples on my hips, stretch marks on my tits. Drinking my water, minding my biz. Monday I'm overrated, Tuesday on my dick. Flip-flopping ass bitch. Fan me off, watch my wrist go. Fan me off, I'm hot like stolen Chanel. Lock me up in jail. Cuff me please, cause this ain't fair. Dripped in my pearls like Coco Chanel. Uncle Johnny made my dress that cheap spandex. She looks a mess. Fan me off, I'm hot like stolen Chanel. Lock me up in jail. Finger fingertips go tap, tap, tap. On my MPC, making disco trap. Uncle Johnny made my dress that cheap spend that she looks a mess.